Dean here, Cabin 13 Masks. I just did an overhaul on one of my Part 7s. Tell me what you think. I make the leather straps kind of loose. Well, one reason. Your peanut may not be the size of my peanut. And with the hood, it helps. And one thing you could do with these guys, man, being that it's leather, if it's too loose, you know, just cut a little bit off at a time and just repunch it. And going back on, so to fit your dome piece. Or if you bought one from me and you don't want to screw with that, just send it back to me and I could do it, you know. But it's probably a lot easier if you do it. It's not hard. It's not hard to do. You know, just cut off maybe ½ inch, maybe an inch on both sides, you know. But I would do like a half. You know, these rivets are screw-on rivets, so they're flathead screwdriver. Which, by the way, I hate flatheads. So whoever invented flatheads is a flathead. Honestly, I can't stand them. Cannot stand a flathead. And if you're in the construction world, you understand what I mean. Forgive me for smoking. Yeah, that one turned out good. I got another one here I'm going to redo. Yeah. I call this one my weed eater. Yeah, I'm going to redo this one. Not too much. Mainly, I'm going to cut here and jag it up a little bit more. And that's about it. I'm not going to add anything else to it other than that and put leather straps on it. It'll be up on the shop soon. It was up there. I took it off because I had nylon straps on. Straps. Blah, blah, blah. And good for kids, but yeah. And like I said, with these leather straps here, yeah, you can get this from Michaels or Michaels sells them in a pack, and good one, dude. And you just trim it a little bit off at a time. And that's that. Pretty cut and dry, right? Right,
yeah.
Meatball? Yeah. It's my grandboy. What's it? Yep. So, with that being said, it's pretty simple. On to the next one. Dean and Meatball Man here with Cabin 13 Masks. Boom. Raider Nation, by the way.